Hey my homies, I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine for a day after curls, like leftover curls basically. If you slept in them and they're disgusting and flat and just they need to get more life in it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Number one, you'll need water. So I usually stay by the sink, or you can go in the bathtub, but basically re-wet your hair just a little bit. You don't have to get it fully soaked. I focus on the outside hair. What's underneath can stay not as curled, but just add water to your hair. If you have curly hair, water is your best friend. Alright, so I'm going to try out a new product on camera today. This is the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Defrizz Deep Treatment. So it helps to nourish, detangle, and restore dry, damaged curly hair. This is what it looks like. It's like in this baby pink bottle. I got this from Marshall's for a really good price. So let's try this out. I'm gonna use like a $50 size. Smells pretty good. And then I put it in my hair. So I'm actually not gonna rinse this out, only because I actually like to leave products in, but and this curly hair routine is basically for when I'm in a rush and I just want the frizz gone and I want a little bit more curls. So what I will do is, if there's a little bit of tangles, is get your detangling brush and brush through it. But you have to make sure to wet it some more, or else it will frizz. So like any of the pieces that you want to touch up that's tangly, brush it through and then wet it. And then I like to twist it into a coil, and then when it dries, it will be a curl. So yeah, just feel all over your hair for spots that are tangled up. Like this is a good spot that's nice and tangled. And then brush through. Wet it. And then twist it. And then just repeat the process all throughout your hair. And while your hair is damp, you can repart your hair. So let me show you how. Basically, when you have curly hair, you have to style it when it's wet. Otherwise, it's gonna look like a fro if you're brushing and moving the hair when it's fully dry. So that's why you, just always add water whenever you're gonna try to style it. And this is for natural curls. Also, it'll help if you have a spray bottle. I don't have one right now, so that's why I'm just using my hands. But that would make it like 10 times easier for the application of water. Alright, so that finishes off my curly hair routine for leftover curls. As you can see, it looks really good. There's like no frizz and everything just looks a little bit more back to life. Like, I know curly hair is a struggle. I have a video on how to wear your hair to bed to help maximize the time that you can just not wet your hair. Like if you like to wear your hair for like a week and then wash it, yeah, I have a video of some hairstyles to wear to bed that can help avoid having to do this every morning. So make sure you go check that out. I'll put it in the description box. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I plan on doing a twist out tutorial, and yeah, that's gonna be fun. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Flip it, work it, work it. Ooh.
Excuse me, gorgeous, I would like a moment of your time. Come through, help me ease my mind. Show me what you do when the lights on you. Why don't you come through and back it up, and back it up, and back it up.